but do it right in the middle. Look at the to the white one. That's not bad at all. Just didn't want to cover this whole thing. Hey, copycat. Hey, love, how are you? It's really depend on how you like it. Everybody have a different way to doing it, and like sometimes clients want to do glitter and then they want to do I'm gonna squeeze my precision glue gels right here, and what I want to do, I will put the crystal there. You can do any colors there. It's just like a blending really cool, but you can do a different colors. I'm gonna flash clear this one for 30 seconds. Mix flower colors, Nancy Pink and AB. This one? So whatever you like to do, you can absolutely do the same thing and just different. That's 12 different mix jars, and then another 12 on the way. So doesn't matter, you can mix them all, mix and match. And I might put some neons on this one. So now move on. Here is the mix AB. Let's move on to this, and I'm gonna apply the condensed glue gels on all entire the nails. The reason it is so it's gonna encap all of glitters. It's really cool. You have a top coat on that. No wipe top coat. I'm gonna coat my flowers. I'm not coating my crystal, just my flowers. And now we are going to do some neon pop. Hey, this is an idea, so you can do different colors. I like that. This one I have some cute like colors. Oh, it's a chain. It looks super cute though. I will play something with the chain. This one. Kind of background looks good, so make it looks different. So this is for all of you who have an idea of it's so much fun to do with the short nails though. If you have a lot of clients who have short nails, this is fun to do that with. Also, pink. I really want to use some bars right there. This one is cute. If you get the collection of baby jars and then the flowers, it's come with some of them is really cool with some of the bars right there. You can really enjoying it. Like even have a so cool like a curve bars. I really like this one. I'm gonna use that one. You might see that from my end on Facebook probably, but then the Instagram, if you're not seeing it, let me know so I can move it. You don't have to necessarily do it right in the center. You can do it right in the middle or the sides because it's curved really nice. All right. Great. There's a lot of going on. Great. So I'm gonna do one more right there. It's hot though. I can't really see from my end. It's so sparkles. Right there. I could wear this. All right. So here, this one for 60 seconds.